Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today we're going to be having a family fun day in Honokaa. So come along with us to go have it. Yeah. Just reached our destination after like an hour and a half. So we're gonna show you what's going on inside. My brother! Laka, say hi. Guys, this sun is actually giving. Like, oh my gosh, we don't get these on Hillside. My familia. I am. We're gonna play Jenga with these big blocks that we found on the floor. First. I went first with these two. I built it, but we have to go on the tour. So we're leaving it for someone else.
Now number like 7 on the list as far as production.
Around between 20 and 30% out of the orchard. The grower gets is based on that moisture content. So the higher the price, from $1.20 it was last year, it just goes down the higher your moisture is. So it's all based on water weight, right? And then we do a kernel analysis. So we have.
I want to go step on him.
But Laka's the one that wanted to sit in the car.
That's
A little boy walked up to him and did this.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive.
How you doing?
Try as good as you can. See if
Wait, like us.
Let's see if all of our faces are straight.
Yeah. No, actually smile. Actually smile. Go. Oh, a dead bot. Nighttime.
No, we went. Whoever's using the bathroom, I can just. Wait, there's a mirror.
Laka, I found your. Slay sis. Slay it. Slay it. Slay. Slay it. Slay it. Now. Guys, this place is so aesthetic. Like. Look at that! I picked 3.
Pick another number.
9.
You're from Southern Africa.
9. Pick another
Okay, 12. 12.
I just picked 12.
What does it say?
We came here just for like a 30-minute tour.
Shout hooray!
Today's my birthday.
What the No, this is for me. Hello. Today we did Jack in the Box. Sugar. I got it. I'm ready to share. Guys, we're gonna find out what's inside this taco. Let's just rip it open. This is what's inside.
Wow.
That's it for tonight's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope you guys have a safe night, and just remember Jesus loves you.